Alright, this is my bedroom right now. Clean clothes, dirty clothes everywhere, all over the floor. Nightstand full with stuff. I have all the pillows on the floor. Blanket is so dirty with food. I gotta do a good wash because everything in here is dirty. And in that corner I can barely see my chairs because I have a bunch of packages here, like 5, and then more on the floor, and all these pillows on the floor. I gotta wash the covers. And I even remember last time my bed looked nice. I really don't make it anymore because you know how it is. So I'm gonna take my time and do a deep cleaning in this room today, and then we're gonna get with our day. It is so bad outside. It's raining and it's just not good, so it's a good time to clean. But we're gonna go ahead and empty every single drawers and fold the clothes. I have more out there and put them away nicely. Actually, before I start with the clothes, I'm gonna go ahead and take the blanket. I'm gonna go ahead and take the sheet, the duvet cover, and all those pillow cases and throw them in the wash. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. But let me show you a little before. Yes, it is a mess. And hey, one day for everything, right? Right? So let's go ahead and do that anyway. Enough talking. What are you guys doing? Tally girl. Anyway guys, I hope you are doing wonderful. Welcome back. It's so good to have you guys back here. I just got back from my trip. I'm gonna clean this room because I have been neglecting my bedroom. So today I decided to do it. It's raining, I don't have anything else to do, so why not just do it and take you guys with me doing it. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video and let's get to work. so happy because I was almost finished. I went ahead and put some powder on the rugs. I love this one because it smells so good, and it's also good if you have animals. And I also did the ceiling fan. It was so dirty and dusty. The funny thing is everything fell on the bed, and that was pretty annoying because I had to go back and dust the bed again, but that was fine. At least I did it. I also went ahead and do the picture in the wall and the blinds and also the mirror. I was just ready to be done with the day. I just wanted to go in the shower and change my clothes because it was pouring outside. It was thundering. It was pretty scary, but at least my room is clean at the end of the day, you know. Anyway guys, I just went vacuum and mop and I was done. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like for more. Every time I get a new subscribers, I put $1 away. So once I reach to 1,000 subscribers, that's mean I'm gonna have $1,000, and I'm gonna pick 4 winners and send out $250 to each winners. That might be you. You never know. Just subscribe. It's fun and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Why not support a girl? Why not? I am almost there. I am almost there. Just help a girl out. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and subscribe, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Hey girl, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hey pretty girl, hey pretty girl. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? They had to cut her hair because she went for her surgery. Yes girl, no babies for you. High five, high five, high five. No babies for you. No babies for you, right? No babies for you. Oh, you little punk. Okay. You messing up my bed, okay? Subscribe. Telly, say subscribe. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Oh, you're so cute. Hey, say subscribe. Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe. You're messing up my bed, girl.